In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add subtasks under a task in Notion. Open Notion and go straight to your main dashboard. From the left sidebar, click Project Tasks to open the task database where your main items are stored. Once that page loads, move to the top right area of the database toolbar and click the three-dot menu. In the drop-down that appears, choose Sub-items. Notion will show a small setup dialog to enable the nested task workflow. Click Create. This automatically adds the parent item and sub-item relationship fields, which is what lets one task sit underneath another. After that, your database is ready for subtasks. Now find the row called Launch Marketing Campaign. Hover over that row and click the small expand arrow to the left of the task name. A nested area opens underneath it. Click New Sub-item, then type Design Social Media Graphics, and press Enter. Give that a moment on screen so the new subtask appears clearly under the parent task. Next, add another one in the same place. Type Write Email Newsletter Copy, then press Enter again. You should now see both subtasks grouped under Launch Marketing Campaign. Next, go to the row for Redesign Company website. Hover over it, click the expand arrow, and then click New Sub-item. For the first subtask, type Create Wireframes, then press Enter. Add another and type Build Homepage Prototype, then press Enter. One more time, click to add a subtask. Type Set up Staging Environment and press Enter. This gives you a second parent task with its own nested work items, which is useful when you want to break larger projects into smaller, trackable actions. Now click directly on the Launch Marketing Campaign row to open it as a page. Inside the page, scroll until you reach the Sub-item section. Beside that section header, click the three-dot menu. Turn on Status and Priority. This makes those properties visible right inside the subtask list, so you can manage progress without jumping around as much. Then click the Design Social Media Graphics subtask to open its page. Set the status to In Progress and set the priority to High. That helps show how subtasks can carry their own workflow details. Separate from the parent task. To go back, use Ctrl plus open bracket on Windows or Command plus open bracket on Mac. Once you're back on the parent task page, check the sub-item list and confirm the updated status and priority are showing correctly. At this point, the setup is done and your subtasks are now working in your Notion workspace. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. You can now use the same process for any project in your database. Open a task, expand it, add sub-items, and then manage each one with its own properties when needed. Go ahead and try it on your end. And that is basically it. You have successfully added subtasks under a task in Notion.